Today is a very special day because today we are celebrating 1,000 subscribers. If you've been following this channel, you know this only took 1,000 years, but whatever. We're gonna mark the occasion with something you probably haven't seen in a very long time. A rev challenge between a Ducati 916 SPS and a Ducati 999. And here's how it works. I'm gonna put both bikes next to each other, turn them on, rev their engines, and then you get to decide which one sounds better. Now you may be thinking, isn't that a little bit stupid? Maybe, or is it? Let's have a look at the contestants. In the red corner, we have a 1998 Ducati 916 SPS featuring a 996 cubic centimeters Desmo Quattro L twin with 127 horsepower. In the other red corner, we have a 2003 Ducati 999 with 998 cubic centimeters Testa Strada L twin and 124 horsepower. So technically, this should be a really close call. However, I have it on good authority that one of the contestants is cheating. Because while the 999 comes with a stock exhaust, the 916 SPS brings carbon Termignonis to the competition. But I've been very impressed with the sound of the 999, and, don't tell this to anyone, I prefer the sound of the Testa Strada over that of the Desmo Quattro. Who said that? Without further ado, let's get ready to rev. And we'll start with the 999. Not bad, huh? And now on to the 916 SPS. And next, it's time to warm him up a little bit. Let's hear them with a little more power. Finally, because men can do multitasking too, I'm gonna play both instruments at the same time. tell you my conclusion at this point, but this is a 1000 subscribers special, so I'm asking you, which sound did you like better? The 916's Desmo Quattro or the 999's Tesla Strata? Tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more intellectually dubious comparisons like this one, hit the subscribe button. Donnie Desmo, out. And because men can do multitasking too, I'm gonna be